All right, so today I'm going to show you how to find your radio code. Usually, when you unplug your battery or get a new one, the codes or the system shut down. So you have to reset the codes. But don't worry, retrieving your Acura radio code is easier than you might think. Whenever your Dacia battery is disconnected or replaced, your car's radio will lock itself as a theft deterrent system. To reactivate your radio, you'll need a unique code that syncs with your specific vehicle. I'm going to show you Acura Radio Code Recovery application on your PC or MacBook, which gives your unlock code based on VIN your car or serial number of radio. Just enter your VIN or serial number and press generate. After finishing, you will receive your Acura Radio unlock code. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get app Acura Radio Code. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.